In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TradeStation Futures. We'll walk through a clean, beginner-friendly workflow for preparing a futures order in the TradeStation desktop platform, so you know exactly what to look for and what each field means. Start by launching TradeStation Desktop on your computer. Give it a moment to load your layouts and data. Next, make sure you're working in your futures account. This account must already be approved for futures and funded. Otherwise, you won't be able to route futures orders. Look for the account selector on the platform and confirm the correct account is active before moving on. Now, choose the futures symbol you want to work with in any quote or order window. Futures symbols follow a simple pattern: the root for the market, a month code, and the year. For example, ESU26 represents the E-mini S&P 500 contract for the September 2026 month, and CLZ26 represents crude oil for December 2026. Verify you're selecting the correct contract month and year that match your trading plan. Liquidity and spreads can vary by month, so focusing on the most active contract can improve execution quality. Open the order bar and click the Futures tab. If you don't see the order bar, check your workspace layout or open it from the platform's view options. The Futures tab tailors the fields to contract-based trading, which helps prevent entry mistakes and keeps everything you need on one screen. In the symbol box, enter the exact futures symbol you just chose. The platform may auto-suggest valid contracts as you type. After you select it, confirm the description and exchange look right, and make sure the contract month displayed matches the one you intended. Set your quantity, which is the number of contracts. Remember, a single futures contract controls a standardized amount of the underlying market, so even one contract can represent significant exposure. Choose a quantity that aligns with your risk tolerance and the volatility of the product you're trading. Next, choose your order type. Market orders aim for immediate execution at the current price, prioritizing speed over price control. Limit orders let you set the maximum price you'll pay to buy or the minimum you'll accept to sell, giving you control but not guaranteeing a fill. Stop orders become active when price reaches your trigger, helping you enter on momentum or manage risk. If you select a type that requires a price, fill in the price field carefully. Use the current quote as a reference, pay attention to tick sizes and decimals, and double-check that your price matches your intent. That's the core workflow. Open the platform, select your approved futures account, pick your symbol, open the order bar's futures tab, enter the symbol, set quantity, and choose your order type with price if needed. Before you take any further action, review every detail on screen to ensure it reflects your plan.